Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to DIY peel off eyebrow color dye. Yes. So I look weird because I don't have my eyebrows on. I have my full face and no eyebrows. I've dyed my brows before, and I say DIY like who's gonna do it for me? You know? Well, I take that back. I guess you can go and get your brows professionally tinted. But this kind is definitely, you know, something for you to do while you do your makeup. It doesn't involve dye, but it is called One Day Tattoo. I have done this before where I tinted my eyebrows and my eyelashes for you guys. It's a kit I found at Rite Aid. It works really well. This is not that. And I think I even did the peel off eyebrows in one of my K-Beauty hauls over the summer. But this one, I figured what I would do is share with you two products. One is a K-Beauty. I got this at my Asian grocery store, and I don't even know oh, it's K-Palette. So that's good. I think you can find this on Amazon. I will look for it and link it below if I can find it online. I picked light brown, and it paints on, it dries, and then you peel off. They have this with lip products too. You can peel off, it's a lip tint. I've heard strange things about that. Then Almay, you guys saw this maybe in my drugstore haul before Christmas, has the exact product. It's a peel on, it's a paint on, dry, peel off brow product. Now I don't look at this as something that I just use to do my brows for the day. Emma and I have done this, and it kind of tints it for a few days. And Emma, you know, there's one that you can leave on overnight. I mean, it's crazy because you're a little bit scared. So it says that this lasts for 1 week. So I picked up two colors. Emma actually doesn't want to use it right now. She's like, I feel like my brows are, she got hers tinted at Ulta, which is fine. So she does both. We like to do our own things, and then sometimes, you know, we like to have people do them for us. So I'm using the dark blonde Almay one. So I just wanted to see, you know, if there was a difference. This is around $10. This is $18. It might vary online as far as price goes, but I figured why not? This also has that #1. Anything in a K-Beauty, you know, Japanese, we just got a Japanese, what's it called? It's basically a K-Beauty store. I put it on my Snapchat. You guys might have seen it. Tokyo, shoot. I already forgot what it's called, but it's so cool. Anyway, she was telling me and the girl, I believe the woman in the Asian grocery store a year ago, you know, a long time ago, she told me if you see a #1 on a K-Beauty brand, that means it's really good. That means it's like the #1 popular product in that category. So, you know, for maybe like their Allure Best of Beauty Awards, whatever. So here it comes. It's a paint, it paints on. You want to paint it thick so that there's enough to stick together to peel off in one go. Otherwise, you're kind of just picking, you know, rubbery strands. And you also want to do it neatly so you're not staining the skin and you're actually getting it on your brows. So this is kind of tricky. I do this, but then I actually do fill in my brows with other brow products. So like I said, this to me isn't just a one and done thing. This I kind of use as a, like, to supplement my brows. Okay. Almay first. Plus, I wonder, here we go. I'm like, I need a Q-tip. I hope I'm not blocking. Okay. I want to do it neatly, which, I'm not one of those. Emma does such a good job when she does this. That's what I'm talking about. I don't want that, because that just might look weird. Okay, I think it's thick enough. You just basically, I leave it on until it dries. I think it says on 30 minutes. Okay. Ooh, this one's a lot more liquid. I did get one off the Hush website and it was all dried up. So if the product doesn't come out wet, it's not good. It's not gonna work. It needs to be wet. This one almost, I mean, it's fresh out of the package, so I don't know why it would be. This one has a green. You can see how the, you know when your hair colorist, sometimes when she's putting on the dye, you can see like the different green undertones and just the different undertones, and you're kind of going, what is that gonna be? And then, what do you know, it works. Because there's always so many different greens and black, green and black undertones in color that we don't even realize. Because isn't black all the colors and white is the absence of color? Look at me, all color theory. When you do theater, you have to take color theory for costume and lighting and stuff. Like I paid attention. Okay, I prefer right now the Almay applique, just the consistency of it was easier. Hang on a second, I have to look straight on. Okay. Oh, damn it. Come on. Well, this is fun. So I'm going to let this dry and I'll come back later. Good times. I think I did a good job of applying it. I hope I did a good job. I want it to peel off cleanly. Wish me luck. Okay, see you in a minute for peel off. Not rice peel off. I kill myself. Well, it has been actually almost an hour because I got sidetracked and I ate some lunch and then I was like, oh my God, I still have to peel off my eyebrows. So let's do the Almay first. Oh boy. So you're always like, is it gonna take off my eyebrows with it? And you know what? I don't feel like that is the case for me. Not as satisfying in terms of one piece, but yeah, I don't think I lost any eyebrow hairs on that. See, I just feel like it's not even. That's why I don't leave it alone, and I want to fill in my brows as well, but I like that it kind of does the work. So like your brows have a bit to go on more than normal, right? I think that looks pretty good. I have to clean it off, of course. Oh my gosh, this one comes off so much easier. Oh, this is so cool. Oh, that was so cool. And it also stayed shiny. It's very rubbery. Oh, this is good. Oh, this did good. I think this would do great for a couple hours. I wouldn't be afraid. And the fact that it has that little bit of green and yellow keeps it from looking too orange. it has a more blonde, I mean, it is, the shade is blonde, but oh, that turned out really nice. So I feel like Almay is pretty darn good. I mean, way to go for trying something different. But the K palette one I do like better, just color-wise and the way it removes. But I didn't like applying it. I liked applying the Almay one better. So it's kind of funny because the Almay one was easier to paint on, but this one was easier to take off. The question is, how long are they gonna last? So I don't know, I can't give you that answer just yet in terms of, you know, if one lasts more days. This one, it says, the K palette one says it's up for a week. Trying to get there really isn't a lot of residue for that one, so that's good. Yeah, the Almay is quite, for it to, what's it called? Okay, so this one is dark blonde, has a lot of red in it, and this one has a lot of yellow in it. I can completely see that here. I'm gonna go in with brow. I'm just gonna finish my brows. It just makes filling in your brows that much quicker. Well, I'm pleased with the results. I think it's kind of fun. And I think it's always neat to try new things, for one. You guys know I'm your guinea pig, but also just to see the difference in terms of types of products and, you know, what works. And yeah, so kudos to Almay for trying. I think this is actually got a lot of potential. I'm sure there's people out there who think it's crazy. The color is a little off, but I like what they're doing. And then this one is really good in terms of color and removal, just not application. And it also costs more than this one does. So, you know, here you go. You can make your choice. But I dig it. I'm digging it. And I'll let you know, in some future videos how it's lasting. Well, thanks so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, share, subscribe if you haven't, and all that good stuff. And I will see you next time. Bye.